Feeding stray cats with an RC car. I bought them good food for today. Some probiotic soup for their gut health. Cute little treats. Healthy little sprinkles. Let's stop here. One guest ready to feast. A second one joined us. Seems like they enjoy it. The right one left, but we have a new one staring. Only this one is left for now. He's lucky. We have a new hungry cat eating now. I hope other cats join him. That fella is doing a good job. I don't think he will leave anything. Bro is almost done now. Not leaving a single crumb. Good job.